Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
But people will say it's a very small percentage of the population.
No, there is no question of high percentage. I say that in a small percentage, there must be some ideal name. At least people will see that here is the ideal name. Just like we are having, because they are chanting and dancing, many outsiders are coming. And they are also learning. They are also offering obeisances. And gradually they are offering their service. Please accept me. The example is better than precept. If you have an ideal group of men, then people will automatically learn. That is what. But don't mind. I don't find any ideal group of men. Even the priests, they are going to hospital for their drinking habit. I saw some time before in a hospital 5,000 patients, alcoholic patients, priests. So priests should be ideal character, and they are advocating homosexuality. A very ideal character man. If the priestly class, they are going to hospital for drinking heavy and they are allowing man-to-man marriage and homosexuality, then where is ideal character?
But homosexuality is a sickness in our life. Homosexuality is a sickness. Why should you?
He said it's an illness.
It's an illness. It's just like a person who can't see, you would punish him for not seeing. You can't punish a person for being homosexual. That our society says so.
Anyway, the priestly class sanctioning homosexuality.
Fine.
Sanctioning, they're allowing homosexuality.
Yeah, well, we say
And there was report that man and man was married by the priest. In New York there is a paper, Watchtower. That is a Christian paper. I have seen in that paper. They are condemning. The priest is allowing man-to-man marriage. And they are passing resolution. Homosexual is passed online. And in Perth, you said that the students are discussing about homosex, in favor of homosex. So where is the ideal character? So if you want something, tangible business, train some people to become ideal character. That is this Krishna consciousness movement.
What do you say? People say what ideal to you is not ideal to somebody
I am
else.
giving the example, ideal character.
Yeah, but it's one opinion.
No, opinion, it will not depend on opinion. Opinion, what is the value of opinion if the people are all asses? There is no opinion. One should take as it is enjoined in the Shastra. No opinion. What is the use of taking opinion of an ass? So, the people are trained up just like dogs and asses. What is the use of their opinion? It must be enforced. You must be like this. Just like when we introduce this no illicit sex, I never cared for their opinion. The opinion immediately there will be discussion. And what is the use of taking their opinion? It must be done. That is the defect of Western civilization, Vox Populi, taking opinion of the public. But what is the value of this public? Drunkards, smokers, meat eaters, woman hunters. What is the... They are not first-class men. So what is the use of such third-class, fourth-class men's opinion? We do not advocate such opinion. What Krishna says, that is standard, that's all. Krishna is the supreme and his person is final. No opinion, no demonstration. When you go to a physician, doctor for treatment, the physician does not place his prescription for opinion of other patients. Now I am prescribing this medicine for this gentleman. Now give me your opinion. Does he do that? The all patients, what they will communicate. The physician is the perfect person. Whatever he has written prescription, that's all. But here in the West and everything, public opinion.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,